2025, everybody. I'm so glad that you came to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this beautiful gift that I received for Christmas. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, I'm so glad that you came back. So this video will be a silent video. Excuse me. This will be a silent video, so I hope you guys like it. I'm trying to do something a little different just to, change things up a little bit. I usually do unboxing of handbags or what's in my bag, but like I said, I wanted to do something different today. So this video will probably be very short, but again, if you could like, comment, subscribe, share, I would greatly appreciate it. And now, let's get to it. Now, this is just a sample that they threw in the box, I'm assuming. Because honestly, I didn't even see this in the bag on Christmas. So let me take a spray and see what it actually smells like. I know I said that this was going to be silent, but I just had to. It smells good, you guys. The name of it is Atrape Revs. I can't even pronounce the word. Hope you guys can. It's not focusing. guys see it? There it goes. I can't pronounce it. Atrape Reves, a Louis Vuitton scent. It smells, I don't know, it smells really good. Now, would I buy a bigger bottle of this? I'm not sure. This is more of a, I want to say, an evening scent. An evening scent. But it smells really good. I pretty much go towards scents, gourmand scents. Scents that I can wear daily. And then plus by me working from home, I rarely get to wear my expensive perfumes unless I go out on date night. You know, my typical body sprays, I will, you know, spray them on at home or after I get out of the shower or whatever. But this smells really good though. Well, that's the end of my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the little silent portion of the video. This bracelet, I probably would not wear it. It says it's an everyday bracelet simply because it is leather, but you got to remember it's a Louis Vuitton, so you got to kind of, you know, take care of your investments. So I would probably not wear this every day. Certain occasions, maybe date night, hanging out with my girls, or just, you know, me solo out, you know what I mean? But I don't think I would wear it running to the grocery store or something like that. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Again, Happy New Year. Bye.